This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into the same Microsoft account on both your Xbox and Windows PC. This is the single most important step. Once done, purchase a Play Anywhere-enabled title from the Microsoft Store using that account so you own both versions. Make sure to enable cloud saves and confirm Xbox Live is linked in settings so progress transfers. These steps let you start playing immediately on either platform without rebuying, and they set up the sync that makes the rest seamless. Next, install and launch the game on both devices. On your PC, open the Microsoft Store, go to Purchased, find the Play Anywhere title and click Install. On Xbox, use My Games and Apps to install the same title. While installing, confirm your network is stable and choose the correct drive to avoid interruptions. Once installed, launch the game at least once on each device to register local settings. This registration ensures cloud saves and achievements map correctly between platforms, preventing progress conflict. To finish, simply sign into the same Microsoft account on whichever device you want to play and resume. Cloud saves and achievements should appear automatically. If you don't see progress, first make sure you use the exact same account and check Xbox Live service status. Delays sometimes occur. If issues persist, sign out and back in, reinstall the game, or clear local cached saves as a last resort. These steps recover sync problems while preserving online progress, and they resolve most Play Anywhere hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.